Hi, this is Sue with She's Wired. The team and I wanted to take a minute to thank everyone for being a part of our new normal. You've been helpful and patient, and we've had a lot of fun adjusting to working together remotely. The safety of our clients and our staff is the most important part of our relationship. Even with Georgia opening back up, She's Wired has decided to stay put and assist our clients remotely. For the foreseeable future, we will not be scheduling any in-home appointments. The great news here is that we found very effective ways to meet our clients' needs remotely. We've done remote training on photo organization, extending Wi-Fi networks in the home to kind of fill those dead spots. And we have done an incredible amount of Zoom training. So just so you can see that we can do a lot remotely. We want to continue to help you with your computer questions and troubleshoot problematic issues regardless of device. So if you've got iPhones, smart TVs, there's a lot we can do remotely. We've also been installing a lot of new computers. We offer touch-free delivery of new computers that we have set up in our offices, and then we help you out remotely with the final setup and acclimation. So please remember, we can do a lot remotely. We're here for you. Give us a call at 404-935-9614 or email wecanhelp@sheswired.com. We will continue to help you safely and effectively. Take care.